How to get Progressive insurance without a license. Progressive allows individuals to purchase car insurance even if they don't have a valid driver's license. This can be beneficial for non-drivers who own a vehicle, those with a suspended license, or individuals buying insurance for someone else. Below are the steps to obtain Progressive insurance without a license. Step 1. Check Progressive's policy requirements. Not all insurance providers allow policies without a valid license. Progressive offers options for non-drivers, but you may need to list a primary driver. Step 2. List a primary driver. Since insurance rates are based on the driver's record, you will need to name a primary driver who has a valid license. This can be a spouse, family member, or trusted individual who regularly drives the car. Step 3. Provide vehicle ownership details. If you own the vehicle but do not drive it, you must provide proof of ownership, including the vehicle identification number, VIN, and registration details. Step 4. Consider a non-owner car insurance policy. If you do not own a car but occasionally drive rented or borrowed vehicles, you may qualify for a non-owner car insurance policy. This provides liability coverage without needing a registered vehicle. Step 5. Check SR22 or FR44 requirements, if applicable. If your license is suspended and you need proof of financial responsibility, Progressive can provide an SR22 or FR44 certificate, which may be required for license reinstatement. Step 6. Speak with a Progressive insurance agent. Some cases, such as insuring a vehicle for business use or managing a policy for someone else, may require assistance from an insurance agent. Contact Progressive for specific guidance. Step 7. Finalize and purchase the policy. Once the details are confirmed, complete the purchase and receive proof of insurance. Step 8. Manage your policy online. Use Progressive's online portal or mobile app to access policy details, make payments, and update coverage as needed. Progressive offers flexible insurance solutions for individuals without a license by allowing them to list a primary driver or obtain non-owner coverage. To see the best offers on car insurance today, click on the link in the description below.